Okay, it is catch-up time again. In all business, your ability to convince people to purchase from you is the skill that marks the difference between millionaire success stories and giving up in bitter disappointment. While your sales funnel is an important vehicle for ensuring your dream customers receive your product, you must have a marketing strategy aimed at your dream customers, or you will not have an opportunity to build your business. At this point, you may be exhausted with the work you have done so far to create the products for your sales funnel. You may not even have all the materials you need to get the funnel up and running. Although you could hold off on creating all the materials for your one-time offers, you must have your flagship framework and bonuses finished so that you can begin sending people to your sales page. So if you've not finished the core work, this is when you complete it. Even if you have to clear several days and just focus on getting it done, you want to have all your pieces in place so that you can move forward and market to your dream customers. And if you have finished your sales funnel and products, this is when you make the switch and focus on letting people know what you have to offer. Well, we're going into the final week of OFA, which means you're in this final catch-up 2-day time frame where you can finish your funnel. Now, you want to do any missing products that you haven't got completed yet, any scripts you haven't written, videos you want to record, any other material you plan to use. You want to get all of those finalized and get everything into your funnel, because going into the final week of OFA, we're concentrating on marketing, and you need something to market, right? You want to be able to tell people where to go to see your product. You want to be able to give out your link and start really pushing people to your funnel. So everything needs to be in place. Don't forget to test everything. Spend these next 2 days working on that. Don't forget, every day in the challenge, of course, there are additional videos to look at, and you're probably going to want to look at Steve Larson again, talking about preparing to focus on marketing. It is, it's so critical. It's the business to be able to market your product and let people know what you have and let them know that it's available. So you're really going to want to have all the funnel building work out of the way so that you can concentrate on marketing going into this final week. So your result for today, for the 2 days, finish everything on the results to date list. So what does that look like? Well, going back to the beginning, you keep up with all of this from leads and your flagship framework, and hopefully all that's done, and all the way through to ensuring that you've got your social media good to go, your members page is done, you've got your OTOs, you've checked everything, you've finished your funnel, you've confirmed everything is connected, and you've got your Dream 100 list you've started to reach out to, and you've got your hook story offer. So that's what you want to make sure that you have completed everything that is on the results to date list. Shouldn't be any additional costs unless you're still catching up with creating products or creating maybe some of the images and graphics that you're going to have on your pages, or if you're paying someone to do it all for you, okay, then you've got some additional costs. Otherwise, it's just a matter of catching up with everything that we've talked about so far. All right, so if you have any questions, reach out. As always, email me or reach out on social media, and I'll see you in the next day.